How to change ABCD debit card PIN. Let's get started. Launch your mobile app, or you can head towards the website of ABCD, then provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, select the account linked to your debit card. Tap on Card Services or Manage Card. Look for the option to change PIN or reset PIN. Input your desired 4-digit PIN and confirm. Complete the process and ensure the app confirms the PIN update. Or what you can do is SMS to the ABCD customer service. Send SMS by typing ACT last 6 digit of your card and the PIN that you want to set for your account and send it to 2626. With that, ABCD customer support team will get back to you. So this way you can easily change debit card PIN on ABCD Bank. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.